Hey, what is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at this W16 wireless portable charger. So it doesn't have a real brand name unless W16 is the brand name, but I'm going to check this out. This was $25 on Amazon, and right now you can also pick this up for, let me go ahead and check the price. As of right now, you can buy this for $29, and there's a box that you can check to get another 20% off. So if you want to, after this video, go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link in the description. But this power bank claims to have 12,000 milliamp hours, and our Ugreen one, which was in the last video, this has 10,000. So I have no real way to scientifically test the 12K. However, I will try and do my best to see what kind of, battery drainage I'll see when using this. But this also claims to have Qi 2 in a way, because this has 15 watts of wireless charging, and so does our Ugreen one over here. But it doesn't have the symbol like the Ugreen, so it doesn't have the Qi 2 symbol on the packaging, at least. So let's go ahead and get into this and check this out. All right, so I just took out the plastic. Let's go ahead and get into this. Still one-handed. All right, let's see if we can get this slide out of the box. All right, so we got a USB-A to USB-C cable. We got the power bank itself. Yeah, so no Qi 2 logo in the middle here. See what we got on the sides here. Capacity is 12K milliamp hours. So for our Type-C, USB-C Type-C port, we get 22.5 watts of charging. And for our Ugreen, it was 20 watts. So I'm not sure if you want to prioritize 2.5 watts, but let's check it out afterwards. Our USB-A output as well. So this has 2. I'm gonna check it out, see if it'll charge 2 things at once. Got a little kickstand on the back. Prop up your phone. So one thing about the Ugreen, it doesn't really work for landscape viewing. It's more so for portrait, or if you want to have your phone on on your desk just standing by. But this would allow you to have more of an angle, or not. Yeah, I don't know if it'll work with the phone, man. But let's see, because this also does say that we can spin it around. Yep. Okay, so you can spin this around and still get some angle. Clicky. All right, so let's check this. Power button, I'd assume. Okay. We got a little display here. 28% so far. All right, so let's go ahead and get some devices to plug in, some cables, and I'll be right back. So just before I get into properly using this power bank, it does come with one of these. It's one of these little magnetic rings that you can attach to the back of your phone or your case. So it says why they included as well. So if your phone case is not magnetic enough, please use it with our magnetic patch. So, and then it'll give you steps as well. And this will also tell you to use up the power bank, whatever is left in here when they ship it to you, all the way to 0, and then charge it all the way to 100 without interruption. And then you can start using it normally. So just something cool there. And then within the documentation, it'll also tell you what the different modes are. So if you press it once, it'll turn it on. If you press it twice, it'll turn it off. This is for the LED display. It'll show you all the different things. So press twice, it'll stop the output. Press again, it'll continue output with the lights on. And then it also shows you on the other side of this, which I found pretty cool. So you can wirelessly charge your phone, right? So you have this connected to your phone, and you can also have two other devices connected with the USB-A and the USB-C port, and have 3 devices charging at the same time. And it says within the literature that it can do it. And then there's also a low current mode that you could turn on and off as well. So interesting to see that it has this level of intricacy for it being $25. So let me go ahead and get a device and we'll check this out. All right, so I got the cable that just came with this for the USB-A to USB-C. I'm going to use that to charge my AirPods Pro here. And then I got another USB-C to USB-C cable. That'll be going to my iPad. So let's go ahead and turn this on. All right, so we're at 28%. Go ahead and plug this guy in. All right, so we got that plugged in, and then all right, let's see if it'll, there we go. Bam. So just heard a little ding right there. So now it's charging. And now I'm gonna connect our USB-C cable to this other side. All right, now let's get this other end plugged in here. And there we go. So 2 devices right there, and then you can also stick this onto your phone and get, I assume, 15 watts of wireless charging on top of that. So that is 3 devices at the same time, whereas our Ugreen, you can get your phone and maybe a second device with this USB-C port. So I'm not even sure of that because I haven't read it, but it most likely could. But it's crazy to think that $20 or $25, you can get something that can charge 3 devices at the same time, and even hypothetically 12,000 milliamp hours. So I'd say it's a very good value for the money. Get some accessories, but check this out. I'd say this is, for $25, I don't think you can complain. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this product. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching.